Tewksbury High School students and their families are in self-quarantine tonight after sharing a flight with the coronavirus patient on a trip home from Italy. They're now being asked to stay home for the next few days. Nick Emmons is in Tewksbury tonight, where there's a lot of anxiety and a lot of questions.
Well, that high school trip to Europe was last month, but school officials only learned of the possible exposure today. In a letter to parents, Tewksbury school officials shared an alert from the State Department of Public Health. It says students and staff may have been exposed to coronavirus during a trip to Europe over February vacation. Health officials learned a passenger on a flight with the group now has a presumptive case of the virus. The students have been back home for several days, but are now going into self-quarantine.
It's really too late, frankly. Now it's just good hygiene, precautions.
Scott Crowley has a daughter at Tewksbury High, but isn't too worried about the virus hitting the school.
My daughter told me that she was with, yesterday, one of the students who was on the trip, I don't know, I think it was 10 days ago, and she is not that concerned, and I'm not that concerned.
Before the alert came out, Governor Charlie Baker held a news conference and asked all schools in the state to cancel upcoming international trips as coronavirus concerns grow.
Taking this precaution will help protect both the students and the Commonwealth, as we are home to such a large number of colleges and universities.
After learning about what happened with the students in Tewksbury, Amanda Lyons says that's the right move until there's a better handle on the virus.
I agree 100% with that, because I wouldn't want my kid to be on a plane with someone who is sick.
So out of an abundance of caution, the students and staff who took part in the trip will self-quarantine for the remainder of the week. They're expected back at school Monday, March 9th. In Tewksbury, I'm Nick Emmons, WBZ News.